take way too many photos of my kittens. Yesterday, I added 20 photos of them into my album, but wait, is that considered low? Anyways, wouldn't it be cool if there was a game that perfectly captures that experience? This video is a part of the Southeast Asia Games Onward 2025, which is a month-long video game showcase that highlights Southeast Asia game developers. Thank you again to the devs for sending over a key for me to check out the game. I'm doing a giveaway of a few keys also sent by the devs over on my Twitter, so if you're interested in playing the game yourself, make sure to check out the post in the description box when the post is made after the video uploads. Neko Odyssey follows a young girl named Miki arriving on Cat Island. She starts building up a following on social media from the cat pictures she uploads, and then becomes involved in the island's mythical past. You get to pet cats, purchase treats for them, and chat with the local folk as well. Here's a snippet of the game that I played during stream. Neko Odyssey. I purposefully didn't look too much into the game so I can go with it in a completely new player's eyes kind of thing. But I saw there's cats and the aesthetic looks really cute. Kashi Banashi, once upon a time. On an island of cats, there was a guardian god who protected the people with the power he received from their good feelings. Oh my gosh, felines, good felines. One day, a demon appeared and devoured the dark side of people's hearts. No, causing them to have terrible nightmares. The guardian god learned of this and did not stand idly by. With the power of cats, he protected the villagers by fighting the demons for 7 days and 7 nights. And on the 8th day, just when the demon was weakening, the guardian god seized the opportunity and used all of his powers to seal the demon away. However, before the demon was defeated, it released the demon's spirits to create nightmares for the humans in the form of cats? Gathering power to wait for the day he would be strong enough to break the seal and wreak havoc again. No, not the kitties. Evil cats. Guardian God was weak. Some sort of demon spirits managed to escape his grasp, and then he turned into a cat. So the Guardian God used his last remaining strength. He summoned a divine beast to protect the islanders before hibernating. Them gods always hibernating when they're out of power. Announcement. Ha ding dong, the ship is now docked. Thank you for your patronage. Get out. Get out. Welcome to Cat Island. Oh, that was a cool transition. Girl, I'm so ready. Walk. Shoot, I don't have my controller. I like the music. Kitties! Oh my gosh, pixel kitties! Oh, why are they all angry at her? Never been. let me get my voice acting going on here. Never been to this island before, huh? There are a ton of cats here. Why don't you try taking some pictures with them? They're so cute. Oh no, they're running away. No pictures for you. Rip me. Yeah, but hello. Happy affiliate anniversary. Thank you. Oh, the cat is coming to me. The cat is coming. Oh, come to me. I'm hungry. Give me canned food. Oh my gosh, it's so realistic. I don't have food. Some cats are pretty picky though. They won't let you take their pictures unless they like you. If you want a photo with them, you'll have to win them over first. Hey, that white one over there really loves canned cat food. Try giving it one. F cat food. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Can I take a picture with it now? 写真を撮ります。Whoa! Oh, my heart! Got my first snap. There are even more cats in town. They're all different. Say what each one likes and try to make friends with them. I don't know why I'm like some Western middle USA old granny. They might like to take their picture. Mickey, I'm so sorry I'm late. Oh, you met each other already? Thank you so much, Grandma, for keeping Mickey company. No worries, honey. I saw how the island cats were giving you a hard time. Looks like they've given you a proper welcome, huh? Haha. Mickey, Grandma runs the little shop in town. If you need anything, just go see her. She's always got great stuff. Ha 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 ha. Okay, Mickey, let's head home. Thank you again. You're welcome, sweetie. Have a safe trip home. I'm cringing at my own voice acting here, but I'm having so much fun. Everyone, see, this is how I do voice acting. Everyone has the same, they all have the same, like, rhythm of speech, but they all have weird accents. You must be starving after your trip. Go ahead, eat your fill. Your aunties made tons of your favorite foods for you today, Mickey. Let's celebrate the arrival of my beloved niece. Come on, let's eat. Yum, 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 yum. Where's cats? Why does my aunt not have a cat? Yum, 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 yum. Early. It's still early. Why don't you go for a walk around town, Mickey? Feel free to say hi to everyone. It's a small town, so everyone knows each other. I love the aesthetic. It's so cute. Oh. The titular... Wait, what? I can do that face too. Oh, this is so cute. We're gonna chase cats. Reach 100 followers from a single cat picture? Where? What? This is literally my cat. Literally, one of my kittens looks like this. Wait. Oh, you gotta pet it. It's so cute. Can I take a picture? Oh, my heart. Okay, oh, I can just click on this. 30 likes. Okay, charge your battery, girl. Oh my gosh. 1 follower. I have a donut, a baguette, a bread, chocolate. No canned food. is a bug. Why can't I... Anyways. I guess we are just going around town collecting pictures of cats so that I can have 100 followers. Go there. This is so cute. Oh my god. Shortcut to town. Little town. Full of kittens and cats. Gosh, more orange kitties. Dad! This is so realistic because my entire camera roll is just pictures of cats. Mercenary, welcome. Literally just all cats. Let me see. What's my latest pictures that I took of them? Of my own little kitties. How do I go back? Oh my god. Okay. Oh, this morning. Yeah, so I'm practicing with my kitties. I'm practicing toothbrushing now. Brushing their teeth with a sample. Some store gave me a sample of their toothpaste that they sell, and they're like, yeah, go for this one, try this. And to me, it doesn't really smell like anything. It's just like a white paste. But apparently it is chicken flavored. At first, they were kind of cautious about it. Like, what is this weird paste? Why are you putting stuff on my teeth? This feels weird. But so far, it's been the 3rd day of me trying to brush their teeth. Oh my gosh, that kid is pushing me. Excuse you. Child, holy. What the heck? Kid, I'm not letting you pass. No. Ah! Never mind. The kid was only waiting there so that they could walk past me. What the... what was I saying? Oh yeah. So I'm practicing putting them on my lap in a position where I can brush their teeth. Yeah, they've been okay about it so far. Because, I don't really know how to push to the back teeth, to like push the brush to the back of their teeth, because their mouths are still kind of small. But they started growing their adult teeth, and it's so funny because like the adult teeth are a little bit too big for their mouths. So you can see the front teeth coming out like a vampire. And I'm like, you're so funny. Which makes the front teeth a little easier to kind of practice brushing, but I can't really get to the back gums. We'll see. So I took a few pictures, a few blurry pictures of me and the kitties. Very blurry pictures because they're like, no, I don't want to be here. It's so funny. Okay, where... Did we take a picture of the black kitty? This is so cute. My heart. Aww. The sad thing is, I don't think they really... At least my boyo kitten doesn't really rub against me. Unless I have food in my hands. Would you like to play with me? No. I want to play with the kittens. Irashamase. What would you like to eat today? Oh, wow. How do I earn money? Maybe if I take more pictures, I can earn money. So cute. Oh, my heart. My heart. Are you sleepy too? I mean, I'm kind of tired, yeah. Would you like some? Yes, for free. Yes. Give. It has been... It's... I wake up, there's no sun, and then I finish streaming and I look outside, there's no sun, and I'm like, oh, I'm so tired. There's so many cute cats on the island. Your head is so strong, child. Scaring me. Who are you? Why do you look like this? This is so good. Did I just walk into some random person's house? And then proceeds to take a picture of their cat? Don't mind if I do. Okay, I have 20 followers now. What? Such lies. I take like pictures, I don't get any followers. That's not fair. I take so many pictures of my kitties. And a banana! Hello, welcome. Happy Felynne anniversary, thank you. Thank you. I get a cute little hat next to my my username for, they say 48 hours, I think. I'm so bored. What should we eat? This kid is scaring me. Oh, there's a cat there. Out of my way, lady. I wanted to take a picture with the kitty. Oh, this one's similar to my kitty too. He doesn't have a white tail though. Oh my god, my heart. Oh my gosh, that's a big cat. Give me pick. Dude. Alright, I need to buy some cat food, I guess. Wah! Wah! That's pretty pricey. I guess I'll buy one. Maybe two, so that I would be ready. What happens if I run out of onigiri energy? That's my other kitty's. This looks like my other kitty. Oh my god. I'm exhausted, but I guess I'll have to grill for the boss. Recharging for work tomorrow. I'm exhausted. Why is everyone saying they're tired in this game? Why do you have to call me out like this? Come try a grilled meat, not today. How much is it? How many are coming? Too tired. Why is everyone tired? Oh my gosh. Aren't we all? Rent a car. Let's see. I don't feel like I want to be a normal person. I'll just walk behind the counter and talk to you. Hello. Never mind. Never mind. Where's the cat here? Give me cat. Please don't show them any food. Oh. Why? I would show them food if I saw something that I could share food with. Road's closed. Check back later. No. Can I escape the island? Fish. How can I get as good as him? Who? Who? Who are we talking about? The cat? Is the cat a better fisherman than him? Okay, let me see if I can escape. You need bait before you can go fishing? I'd love to if you tell me how to get it. Okay. Where are we? Wait, that cat wasn't there before. Oh my god. Now I want to go out and pet my kitties, but they're sleeping right now. It's so funny. Like, when they're just napping and stuff and I walk past them, sometimes one of their hands would like come out. Oh my gosh, there's a cat behind me. But sometimes their eyes are still like really sleepy, so they'll look at me like this. They'll be like, And sometimes they don't even bother opening up one eye. They're like, oh my gosh, lady, do you want something from me? If not, I'm gonna fall asleep. Good night. More cats. So it's different types of cats. Oh, so round. So fluff. Lately, they've been getting really loud when I am trying to feed them food. I don't know if it's because I'm not feeding them enough or we'll see. I'm still trying to figure out how to give them the right amount of food. Because, like, in theory, they shouldn't be free-fed now. Woo! Baby kitty. Wee. If only they would jump on my lap and sleep, though. The only time that a boyo kitten does that is if I have churu in my hand and he claws his way up my legs. And that's a bit painful. For the same cat pictures, I wonder if it gives me extra buffs or anything. Like, do I still get more followers if I take the same picture but it's on a separate day? Bye, road's closed. Come back later. Okay. Oh, kitty. Oh wait, this dude's face is hilarious. Here it comes, hot and delicious ramen ready to serve. Oh my gosh. This is so cheap for ramen. What the heck? But do I need to eat? Ah! Such a fluffy butt. There's nothing better than ramen. Ramen is the best thing in the world. Yes, I 100% agree. I love noodles. It's really delicious. See, people aren't tired in the ramen restaurant. They're tired in the yakiniku restaurant. Can't even talk to the dude. What kind of books do you like to read? Do you believe in the legends of the city? There's legends? Is it better than boba? Oh, Noodles is definitely my first true love. I started eating noodles way before I knew what boba was. So if I had to choose one or the other, in theory, noodles is slightly healthier, right? Ooh. In theory. Depends on how I make it. Yeah, so like don't have ramen 4 times a day. Oh, pink toe beans. Oh, so cute. Loaf. It should loaf in the bakery. What would you like to order? Didn't even let me order anything. Want some bread? Wait, what? Chocolate bread? Is this chocolate bread or just chocolate? Go to a bakery. Here we sell chocolate. The pizza! I think it is a pizza bun though. Pizza buns are so yummy. Oh my gosh. So I still haven't to this day eaten a yaki pan. A yakisoba pan. Oh, every time I go to Japan, it's either I get like the yakisoba or I get bread, but I never seem to come across anywhere that sells the yakisoba pan. I'm like, it's always a missed opportunity. There's always so much stuff that you want to try, and I don't know, I feel like it's a lot of carbs for one go. Carbs on carbs, yeah, yep. It's like when I put spaghetti on nacho chips. That's carbs on carbs. But like, I don't know. You do walk a lot in Japan, so it's not a big of an issue. But it's not that. I don't know. Cryptic guy, thank you, thank you. Okay, so I think I've unlocked like the next part of the story, so we'll see. See if we can progress. So far, it's very charming. Getting to take pictures of kitties. It makes me happy. Okay, we can go this way. I think I took a picture of this kitty before. So cute. My heart. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have to take a picture of this one first. Wait, stubby tail. Okay. Do you want to rest now? Sure. Talk to me, Granny. I mean, Auntie. I thought I was supposed to chat with her. Ugh. Oh my gosh, is this the nightmare part? Destroyer! 10 stream streak, let's go! Forgive me for I've sinned. Last night I had a dream about a certain buttery swords woman. Well, as long as it was a good dream, right? Oh my gosh. What's going on? Run away! But then she can't escape. Or I guess she's escaping right now. Miki, come here! Come this way! Miki! Are you awake? Aw, so cute! Oh wow! Oh, it's a kitty! It ended with her body slamming me down like a cat. Was she heavy? Was she heavy? Answer wisely. Miki, are you awake yet? Boing? She wasn't. Oh. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. Miki! Is she angry? Go shower. Go eat. It's okay. Today, I'll show you my amazing cooking skills. It walks away. But nothing happened. Like, never mind, I suck. I suck at cooking. I really do. My special miso soup is missing an important ingredient. What is it missing, Bonito? Why? Why did she chuckle? She's like, can you buy some for me? I like the music. It's so charming. Complete the prologue and set off on your adventure? That was just the prologue? I mean, this is a really good spot to, like, pause, because then... Who knows? You can't make me. I'm gonna go over here. I mean, this is a good place to pause to move to the next game, because we have, like, 1 hour before the concert part starts. So... my quick thoughts about this super cute game called Neko Odyssey. It is so charming. I love the overall aesthetic of like the 2D slash 3D slash the pixely style. I like it. It's charming. The music is really lovely too. Loopable music. It doesn't really... I mean, I have it on quite low. I usually keep music quite low or off, but... kind of exciting. The story seems a little bit darker than who knows. So we'll see. Hey Wave, hello, welcome, welcome. I can't believe this was just the prologue though. But I suspect like, yeah, you probably have to like take lots of pictures of cats. Frosty, thank you so much for the bits. Thank you. Woke up from a nap. Ohayo gozaimasu. How was your nap? Was it like a power nap or like a long nap? Because I'm so down for a nap or something, but I really shouldn't. See, some days when I gotta stream, I like try to take like a short nap before stream. 3-hour nap. Wow. Okay, but fair. If you slept 3 hours last night Wait, if you slept 3 hours last night, but then you had a 3-hour nap, is the nap a sleep or your sleep a nap? That's 60 bits now? How do I send them? Is there like a limit to how many? Whoa. That's a really intense way to send bits. Thank you. Hold on. Wait. So is one of those triangle-y things 1 bit? You said 60. You can only send 1 or 100. Holy cow. Wait, is that 60? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That is indeed 60. You know why I had to count it like that? It's because in my OBS, it's not perfectly aligned. It's not perfectly aligned on my screen, okay? I had to count each one. But thank you. Thank you so much for the bits, Frosty. Was anything else I wanted to say about this game before we swap over? I'm pretty interested in seeing where the story goes because I definitely feel like there is quite a bit of like maybe there's a bit more like getting to learn Miki as a character because she seems to have a bad past. Carmen, hello! Happy Felynne, thank you! I'm curious if the cats will start talking to you. I really love the pictures of the kitties. It's so cute. Like, look at that butt. And it's all like... I could see my own kittens act this way. So, I think it perfectly captures the charm of some of these. Oh my gosh. The box one is so real. If you liked watching this video, check out this one about another game I covered, Seago25. Or this one that's recommended for you. I stream games and handcam activities like model kit building, TCG pack openings, and unboxings on Twitch. If you want to support the channel, consider joining the membership. Check out my wishlist on Throne to support upcoming content ideas, or other ways listed in the description box below. Bye for now!